All right. Hello, everyone. Congratulations on finishing your hackathon projects. And today we're going to be showing off a few projects. So let's start with uh, Adi and Lavi's project. All right. Yeah, I'm going to share my screen now. Let's see. Oh, that's the wrong screen. Oh no. Sorry for the delay.
Should we start? Hello?
Yeah, go ahead. You can present whenever you're ready.
Okay, so you guys can hear me, right?
Yep.
Okay, so Ice Cream by Adi Patangi and Lavi Avigad. So when you think of summer, you normally think of ice cream. So obviously our inspiration was ice cream, and we wanted to create a neural network which could differentiate between the four major manufacturers of ice cream, which are Breyers, Haagen-Dazs, Talenti, and I forgot the other one. There's another brand that makes this. So
So our tech stack for this project was Google Colab, Kaggle, which is where we got our data from. Keras was the model we used. Python, the language we used. And CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, all for the website, and as well as computer vision.
The problem. In the summer, people get hot. One of the most popular solutions to that is ice cream. In the world of ice cream, there are a ton of flavors to choose from, and people can be really indecisive when it comes to choosing the flavor and/or brand.
So our solution to this was making a model that recognizes brand names of ice cream. It can differentiate between Talenti, Haagen-Dazs, Breyers, and Ben& Jerry's. It can be helpful for robots to place ice cream in different aisles and thus eradicating human error in stores. This could also be applied to a wide variety of food stacks in the future.
Why is this important? This is important for many reasons, but perhaps the most important reason is accuracy. Our model is 98% accurate, and people can also know if a box of ice cream is legit. It can also be applied in the real world. If a robot is assigned with distributing ice cream across shelves, it can differentiate and accurately place ice cream in the right spot.
Oh, sorry. So a couple of things that we learned during this project was the first, we enhanced our social skills. The second was implementing machine learning models and image manipulation. And last but not least, we enhanced our time management.
What went well and what didn't? The collaboration on this project was excellent. Everything flowed smoothly. The only annoying part was making sure everything works before we started coding. Classic hackathon moment. We also had no experience with Flask, so it was not possible to implement a web version.
Oh my God. Sorry. Oh God. We thank you guys
Thank
for this
you.
enlightening experience. Yeah.
All right, that was a very cool project. Uh, so, what was your favorite part about the hackathon?
I think the team.
Team? So
Give
did you
a sorry.
did you guys know each other before Frey Hacks, or did you meet during the hackathon?
No, we knew each other.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun. All right. Well, thank you very much for joining the stream, guys.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Let's invite someone else now. Bye. All right. Now Ice is going to do a code demo of their project.
Hello? Can you guys see the code?
Yep, well, we can see it and we can hear you.
Okay, so, oh shit, there's a lag. What? There's a lag.
Okay, you can start.
Okay, so here basically I'm just importing all the packages for this project. And I'm creating a directory to distribute my images for training my neural network and testing it. So we're doing it for 4 brands: Ben & Jerry's, Breyers, Haagen-Dazs, and Talenti. So here we're just grayscaling the images and resizing it to a 32 by 32, because that's how a model wants the images, reducing all the noise in it. Here we're assigning each image a label, like telling the model whether it's Ben & Jerry's, Breyers, Haagen-Dazs, or Talenti. And here is our actual model. It's a convolutional neural network with 3 layers. We use the atom optimizer and sparse categorical cross entropy. And this is just plotting our results. And this is predicting for another image. So I'll just run this and quickly show. So 98.46% accuracy. And the graph can show that. And also our validation loss is pretty low here. And our model predicted that this random image was Breyers. So yeah. It's our code demo. Okay.
All right, very cool. Thanks for showing, guys. All right, we're gonna see if anyone else wants to hop on the stream and demonstrate their projects. All right, bye, guys.
Okay.
All right. Sorry for the delay, guys. But now we'll be sharing Moxie Chat by Space Doggo and his team. All right. All right.
Every year, students around the world start the summer by promising that they would accomplish something. However, as time progresses, students do nothing, and finding accountability partners over the summer to maintain focus is kind of hard. So we created MoxieChat. MoxieChat allows users to find people who share the same interests as them and grow their knowledge at a much faster and easier rate than ever before. In order to begin, we would input our username in the bottom left corner. Next, find a topic that interests us. So, for example, if I wanted to learn Java over the summer, I would join Programming Fun. Here I would find other members of the community who share the same interests as me and are also willing to grow and expand their knowledge of Java over the summer. Here I would be able to find accountability partners, friends, mentors, etc. If I wanted to create my own group and develop my own community of people who share the same interests as me, I would create my own room. Now, if someone wanted to sing and they were interested in developing their skills over the summer, they would be able to join this group and they would be able to communicate with other members of the singing community. One major aspect of our project is that MoxieChat allows users to be completely anonymous. They can choose whatever username they want, and all their data is stored locally on their computer. This means no big company will have it in their data centers, and they won't be able to do anything with it. In addition, all messages on MoxieChat get deleted after a week. This provides complete privacy, and we believe MoxieChat can be a useful addition to students' life.
All right, very cool. So now, let's see. All right, and we're back. So now we'll be sharing Team Supersonic's project, V with Me. All right, there we go.
Do you want to hang out with friends to enjoy the summer, but don't live near them or don't have time to visit them? Never fear. Team Supersonic is here to save your summer with V with Music, a music streaming and video chat website that you can use to connect with old friends and new. Enhance your enjoyment of the summer with a shared summer playlist and video chat with up to 6 people at once. Distance is no problem with V with Music. Let's take a look at our website. Our website supports multiple screen widths, so you can use it on your mobile device, laptop, or desktop computer with Let's take a look at our music player, where you can stream, skip, shuffle, and scrub.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch us.
Perfect for setting the mood at your virtual summer get-together. Can't wait to tell your friends about how much fun you've been having? With V with Music, reaching them is only a click away. Let's go say hi to some friends. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
All right. Let's say thank you to everybody.
Hi.
From Team Supersonic to you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your
Bye.
summer.
Enjoy your
Yeah.
summer.
Wow, that was amazing from Team Supersonic.
Oh, there's my.
All right. Now we'll be another minute until we can get another team on stream. All right, now let's give it up for Project Peckish.
A mobile app developed by Harry, Eli, and Offense, and designed by Crystalline, Gia, Lorraine, and I. Summertime is all about coming together and enjoying delicious food with family and friends. Visiting street vendors is a popular and convenient activity for both locals and visitors alike in New York City, but it proves difficult sometimes due to the lack of information online. This is where Peckish comes in. And here is our landing page. Right on top here, we have our hamburger menu, which houses the profile, my account, and logout buttons. In the middle is our logo that was made by our UI designer, Lorraine. We also have and this actually also serves as a home button. And then to the right here, we have our user profile, search bar element, and the view map element. And these three elements I'll be going over shortly. Just scrolling down, we have our tops picks section. And these are the vendors that are coming up highly rated in the area. And then we also have a section for recommended vendors. And this is based off of results of the bucket list that is going to be housed in the profile. And I will go over that shortly. So let's go ahead and click on a vendor. So here is their profile. We have a icon here with their image, Tuco's Tacos name. This is the bookmark where you can go ahead and click on, and this will add this vendor to the bucket list. And then we have the flair profile that the vendor sells. So they sell spicy and savory food. Their location, hours of operation, a short description of the vendor, and their menu. We also have a section for the gallery where the vendor can go ahead and upload some of the pictures of the food items that they sell on their menu, and a customer reviews section here. Right on the bottom, we have a recommended section based off of that taste profile. And here is our footer. You can also find vendors through the map. So we have an interactive map of the United States. And if you click on a pin from a specific street, the vendor's description shows up. So we have Tuco's Tacos, a short description, their hours, and their menu and profile with some pictures on the side here to the left. If you go onto the profile, it will take you to that vendor profile that I just went over a second ago. And you can also look up vendors through taste categories. So if you want sweet, savory, spicy, and sour, and also like through distance. So let's say you are looking for a vendor that sells savory food. You can go ahead and put your distance on there and then click on a vendor and we'll take you to their profile. Then going on to the user's profile, we have an icon, their bucket list, and the reviews that the users left on the vendor's pages, as well as a gallery of all the pictures that they've uploaded to the site. And the star of the show on the user profile is the bucket list. So here is the list of all of the vendors that they're looking forward to visiting. They would then be able to check them off when they go ahead and visit the location. But here is our app, Peckish. So if you're feeling peckish, follow the pigeons. The best food tour guide in the city are the birds.
Wow. That was a really amazing project from Peckish. All right, now All right, let's get another team to demo their project. And we're back. Now we'll be demonstrating Pride's Hacks project.
My name is Angel, and I'm demoing Emotion Ally for Pride Hacks 2. This application uses Flask and natural language processing to help LGBT plus individuals, especially youth, identify and process their emotions in hopes of fighting against the mental health epidemic plaguing LGBT youth. So let's get started. On our homepage, we have two options. We can either learn more about the application or jump straight into identifying the emotion. So we click Learn More. It takes us to a page about Emotion Ally. Then we can try the application out. So here we can type in a few sentences about how we're feeling. I'll copy and paste this. I feel very alone right now. I can't come out to my family because they're very homophobic. I've been crying a lot and I don't have anyone to talk to. So here is an LGBT plus youth in distress who just needs a place to vent. So they submit their input, And then behind the scenes, we use natural language processing to identify how they're feeling. In this case, it might be sadness. We ask them, is this accurate? Yes or no. If it's not accurate, they get taken to this page where they can once again put in their response, maybe with more keywords, like more emotional words, so our model can learn and do better. If they did click yes, that was accurate, they would have been taken to our resource page, where they could be directed to resources that may help them. And if they were a returning user, they'd be able to log in.
All right, let's give it up for Pride Hacks. All right, now let's get another project demonstrated here. Let's. All right, this is Project Hydrobot.
Welcome to Hydrobot. So what's Hydrobot? Hydrobot is a solution to the problem of getting dehydrated when using this card and doing something with it. Just imagine that you are doing something with your mates while using this card and you forget to drink water. Then what are you gonna do? That's when Hydrobot kicks in. It will send you reminders at your preferred time. At the time you tell it to do, send you reminders, and it will send you some reminders to get hydrated again and drink some water again. Except sending reminders, it also makes a graph of how much water you are consuming every in a given amount of time that the user will input, give it to it. And except that, as you can see, this website and this cool website that you can see here, it was made using TypeDream, and I used it because it like decreases a lot of development time and saved me a lot of time, and I focused on the bot instead of making a website. So in short, I saved a lot of time with that. Okay, in this video I'm gonna run a command of this bot. From this command I will get some random news article about water. So if I run it, it will give me an output in a few moments. And as you can see, it has given me a news article related to water after using this command. And there are some other functions as well, like these. And if I use water image, it will give me a random image of water, and it's like this. There are some other various functions that you can check out from here. That's it. Thanks.
Oh, that was Team Hydrobot with a very moist project. We'll be back in a minute with another project. All right, and we're back with Project Some Fun.
Our project is some fun. Organizing your passions through activities and events has never been easier. Using your regional weather data and personal preferences, we help you find the best time for your favorite activities.
We brought our idea to fruition with a mobile app using React Native and a Python Flask server integrated with GraphQL. These were new technologies to the whole team, so it was a challenge, especially in 48 hours. We had a lot of issues, but in the end, things ran smoothly and we accomplished many of our goals. The server can parse location-based weather data on a scheduled basis and update the recommendation levels for activities and events. Using our server and the mobile app, it allows you to view your upcoming events, find future events near you, create a new event and link an activity, view the activities you are subscribed to, subscribe to new activities, create a new type of activity, see what your friends are up to, and more. And thanks to our first-time DevOps engineer, this was all automatically deployed in our custom GitHub DigitalOcean CI/CD pipeline.
We made it a key focus to streamline this process with a robust and unique data pipeline. Upon each push or pull request to the main branch, GitHub Actions has been configured to Dockerize an image and push it onto Docker Hub. This triggers the deployment. Then GitHub Actions will SSH into the DigitalOcean droplet, pull this Docker image, put it in a container on the server. The changes are now live, and this is all done in under a minute.
Now it's time to meet the team and see how our app works.
I'm Zach, I'm the project leader and a full stack engineer.
My name is Harlan Madral, and I'm the DevOps engineer for the team, who's unfortunately stuck in DC.
I'm Grayson, I'm part of the UI design team. I'm Matt, I'm a backend Python engineer. I'm Scott, I'm a backend Python engineer. I'm Luke, I'm a full stack developer. I'm Kellen, I'm UI and front-end. We set up this event on Some Fun. The Some Fun app told me that today was a great day to go golfing. It told me it was a great day to go for a run. The Some Fun app told me that today would be a great day for paddleboarding. It's great weather. There's very minimal wind, and it was a lot of fun to add my friends to it too. On a cooler, not windy day, Some Fun suggests archery.
Thank you for watching.
Wow, that was really amazing. All right. Thank you, Team Some Fun. All right, and now that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed these projects, and we're now going to move on to our closing ceremony. Bye. Have a good day.